Is cryptocurrency still a good investment in 2024, or is it too late to jump on the bandwagon? In today's video, we'll break down the risks and rewards of investing in crypto right now. Since Bitcoin's rise, the cryptocurrency market has evolved significantly, and it's still a hot topic of debate. So let's dive into it and see where things stand today. What is cryptocurrency? Well, cryptocurrency is essentially a decentralized digital currency. Popular coins include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a host of newer coins that have emerged over the years. How does cryptocurrency work? At its core, it relies on blockchain technology. Every transaction is verified and recorded on a digital ledger, making it secure and transparent. Is it still worth investing? Well, crypto prices can soar or plummet quickly, making it a risky investment. On the other hand, there's the potential for high returns, with coins like Bitcoin seeing massive gains in previous years. And let's not forget, there are experts who believe in crypto's long-term value as digital gold. How to invest safely? First, always remember to only invest what you can afford to lose. It's crucial to use trusted platforms like Coinbase or Binance. And to avoid hacks, store your crypto securely using hardware wallets. In conclusion, while cryptocurrency can offer massive gains, it's essential to understand the risks and invest wisely. Do you think crypto is still worth investing in? Drop a comment below and hit subscribe for more financial insights.